Good morning, everyone. My name is Emily Pink, and I'm going to be your instructor for early language and literacy online. Sorry I don't look more polished. I don't know the etiquette for doing videos after you just get out of the shower, but I wanted to get this out, so I didn't want to take the time to do some primping before I record a video. I just wanted to welcome everyone, let you know that the first week will open tomorrow night at midnight. The weeks go from Sunday night at midnight until Monday night at midnight. So you have 8 days to do the work every week. When the week opens, part of the week will open on Sunday night. So you'll see an overview of assignments and discussion boards. But on Wednesday, a video lesson will also come online. Because I'm doing this class online live and online, I'm going to have the opportunity to actually do videos from our lab classroom, and so I can show you different materials. And I feel like while this is because of the online live section, I feel like everyone is going to benefit from it because I'll tape the lectures and then I'll put them up for you. So the week overview will open on Sunday night. Most of the assignments will, but on Wednesdays of every week, a second drop will come, and that will be a video, and that will be a lecture with me, and there'll likely be additional work attached to that video. But all assignments are due on Monday night at midnight. Okay, so Sunday night it'll open a weekly folder. It'll say weekly folder, and it'll say this is what's going on. This is what you have due. You'll be able to see that there's a video and an assignment attached to the video, but you're not going to be able to open it till Wednesday. Okay, so you'll have to check in twice in a week. Once on if you want to on Monday, or if you want to save all your work for when the rest of it drops on Wednesday, that's fine. You have until the following Monday to do it. Every week I will record a video, hopefully most of it with my hair dry and looking a little bit more organized, but then again it's COVID, so who knows what's going to happen. But Mondays, when the week opens, there'll be also another video, and I will walk you through what you have to do. So I will have a split screen, and you'll be able to see my desktop, and you will also be able to see, then I'll also be explaining and walking you through what's due that week. Okay? So I look forward to seeing everyone on Sunday night or Monday morning. Check back in here and you'll see more. In the meantime, you can take a look at the syllabus, and there's an introduction discussion board that you can log on to at any point in time. Okay? Have a great weekend.